Y'all, it's so cold. I'm just now starting to come back around, and I'm still not unthawed, baby. I got on about 3 house coats. Oh my God, it's cold. I cannot stand this weather. What type of weather do you like? Because, like I said, I know some people like the snow, so I was just interested and wondering what type of weather do y'all like. Well, for me, I'm pretty much a tropical girl. I like tropical weather. I like warm rain and warm thunder and stuff like that. And I like when the wind be blowing around me, but I can stand out there in it. That's my type of weather. Like whenever it's a tropical rain or something in Hawaii or whatever, and it blows up, I always go out there and stand in that weather, and it be heat, like a heated type of warm rain, like where I can stand out there and I ain't got to worry about getting sick, and it get like slightly dark or whatever, and just a little light thunder or whatever. Like I love that type of weather. But this weather here it does something to me. I cannot stand this weather. It made me depressed. It made me overwhelmed. It drains me. It makes my anxiety shoot through the level. This weather just take a lot out of me. I hate it. So I think I did that video when I first came in, like I had gotten the house at 2 o'clock or something. I came straight to the camera. And I'm just now halfway rising back from the dead. And I'm still cold. Not as cold as I was, but I was just being nosy, trying to find out, because I love tropical weather, and I'm really supposed to be in tropical weather because I am a tropical girl. I was just trying to figure out what places are tropical states in the US where I wouldn't have to move to a country outside of my country to get tropical weather if I ever decided to move again. But you gotta have the money to move. But then I'm also looking to the pros and cons, because each state has their own problems, like Illinois and Michigan and all these places, they got all this snow and ice. But then you go other places, you got to worry about hurricanes, you got you got to worry about alligators, you got to worry about polar bears, you got to worry about mosquitoes, you got to worry about possums using your barbecue grill while you laying down. You got to worry about all kind of things. So I'm just on here doing some research, trying to find out. I'm just playing rich. If I had money and I could move to a tropical state in US, where would I move? What would be my options? So I went on Google and typed in best places to live with tropical weather in the United States. For year-round tropical vibes in the US, Hawaii, especially islands like Kauai, Maui, and South Florida, Miami, Keys West, Sasoro, I ain't never heard of these places. Some of them are top picks for warm weather and luscious, while Southern California, San Diego, LA offers great weather with cooler ocean breeze. That sounds good. A coastal Texas, South Padre Island. Maybe I should move to an island. And Alabama Gulf Coast, Gulf Shores provide warmer, albeit sometimes humid, beach experiences with the Caribbean feel in parts of Florida. SGGA Islands. Top tropical destinations: Hawaii, Kauai, Maui, Honolulu. True tropical paradise with the consistent warm, lush landscape and year-round sunshine through with rainy season. Florida, Miami, Key West, Sarasota, Naples offers most accessible tropical climate with warm, clear waters, perfect for swimming, plus abundant sunshine. I ain't trying to do no swimming. But expect high humidity and rain in the summer. I don't want no high humidity, because then I'll be moving away from there if I'm too hot. Southern California, San Diego, Los Angeles, Mediterranean-like climate with mild winters and sunny days. Beaches are beautiful, but ocean water is cooler than Florida. Other warm and tropical adjacent options: coastal South Carolina / Georgia, Charleston, Savannah Fusky Island. Warm, humid summers with mild winters offering a charming coastal feel. Somebody gonna get my ass up out of here. Gulf Coast, Texas, South Padre Island, Corpus Christi, warm waters and barrier island vibes, especially good for sun seekers. Alabama Gulf Coast, Gulf Shores, Dolphin Island, similar to Texas, offering white sands and white Gulf winters. What to consider? Water temperature. Florida and Hawaii offer generally warm ocean swimming. California is cooler. Florida and the Gulf Coast are humid with rainy season hurricanes. So we ain't going there because we don't want no hurricanes. Dry heat. Arizona and Las Vegas offer dry, warm, but not tropical, and same lush and humid way. And they probably offer a lot of fires too, wildfires, wouldn't they? I don't want to be bothered with that. So that's a no-go. Yeah, I'm just pretending I got some money. It's so damn cold, you can't do nothing but pretend around this motherfucker. The tropics, a hub, biodiversity, economic growth, and climate vulnerability. The tropics, home to 3.3 billion people, or 40% of the global population as of 2023, are expected to see 60% of the global urban population growth by 2050. Tropical forests covering 1.84 billion hectares, around 12% of Earth's land surface, are rich in biodiversity and located mostly in the equatorial zone, which receives constant sunlight, maintaining warm temperatures year-round. The tropics, defined by National Geographic Society in regions between 23.5 degrees north and south of the equator, cover 36% of Earth's land mass and have an average temperature to 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. Climate change is a major global challenge leading to significant economic impacts such as loss of farmland, reduced productivity, and changing infrastructure needs. The Potsdam Institution for Climate Impact Research, PIC, reports that by 2050, climate change could result in an annual economic loss of 38 trillion, reducing global GDP by 17% and income by 19%, with potential even greater losses if immediate action is taken. Meanwhile, it's so damn cold I can't even pronounce the damn. My ass is froze. Meanwhile, global tourism, especially in tropical areas, rebounded strongly in 2023, with a 22% rise of tourist arrivals in Q3, reaching 92% of pre-pandemic levels by July. Tourism is expected to recover nearly 90% by the end of the year, with receipts and projects at USD 1.4 trillion, or 93% of 2019 total. This recovery is particularly important for the Caribbean and tropical region, highly dependent on tourism, which contributed 13.9% to GDP. What the hell is GDP? In 2019 and 9.1% in 2021. The COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted the region, but it has since seen rapid recovery. The Caribbean tourism GPD is projected to grow by 27.2% this year and 5.5% annually over the next decade, potentially creating 1.34 million new jobs by 2032, doubling sector's growth compared to overall economy. Travel giants Expedia and Booking Holdings Q2 2024. Listen, I ain't got time for all this shit. Let me see what's the downsides to moving to tropical regions, which we partially already know. Some of them, like I said, the alligators, the hurricanes, the tornadoes. Downsides to moving to tropical regions in the U.S. Downsides to U.S. tropical living includes intense heat, humidity. I don't want that. Rampant pests. I told y'all, them damn pests be something else in these damn tropical. The mosquitoes, the damn possums, the cats, everybody get bucked. Mosquitoes, roaches, high mold, severe hurricane storm threats, costly flood insurance, potential for tropical diseases. I don't want to die down there by no tropical diseases. Rapid weed growth, high humidity affecting hair. Well, you can't be affecting my damn hair now, my locks, my naps. We got problem, you go to affecting my naps. I want my naps to stay just the way they is. High humidity affecting hair comfort and general stress of constant preparedness for natural events. You also face crowded conditions, higher costs, especially insurance, housing in some areas like Hawaii, and potential isolation, logistics, and island settings. Climate and environment, extreme heat and humidity, constant sweating, dehydration risk, extenuous daily activities due to oppressive warmth, pests, thriving mosquitoes, flies, roaches, and other instincts requiring constant pest control. Mold and mildew, high moisture leads to constant battles with mold and mildew in homes. Heavy rain and flooding, frequent intense downpours, river swells, and sweep your ass away. And significant flooding, especially in the coastal areas. I don't need nothing flooding. I'm the flood. I do the flood. Rapid growth, weeds and vegetarian growth, incredibly fast, requiring constant yard work. Health and safety, hurricane risk, significant threat of hurricanes, tropical storms, and tornadoes demanding costly preparation, shutters, insurance, and potential evacuations. Tropical diseases, increased risk of mosquito-borne illness like dengue, Zika, chikungunya. Alligators, wildlife, presence of alligators and other wild animals in some areas like Florida. Lifestyle and cost. High flood insurance costs, high premiums for flood and wind insurance, crowds and tourists, overcrowding, constant tourist influx constrain, infrastructure, and disrupt daily life. Insulation / logics. Island living Hawaii, USVI can mean higher costs, limited jobs, markets, and complex logistics, and good travel. Property taxes can be high even if the state income tax is low, especially Florida. Moisture damage. Constant humidity wears on homes, vehicles, and belongings. Maintenance. Increased need for AC maintenance, mold remediation, and pest control. So I guess the bottom line is we'll stay our ass here and deal with this shit because it's only for a season. So we'll stay here and deal with it and just wish we was there because we don't want to get ate up by the alligators. Can't go to work. They standing by your car ready to eat something, telling you to come on and how good you looking and how they brought their hot sauce. So we ain't gonna worry about that. And we'll eat your dog too. We don't discriminate. So we won't worry about, we'll eat your big wheels, we'll eat your Tonka toy trucks, we'll eat any damn thing. So we won't worry with that. The hurricanes, we don't want to get hurricaned away and get twirled and sucked into nothing, so we won't deal with that. The swelling waters, we won't deal with that. When I add it up, I guess I'm safer here. It's not that much going on other than snow and ice. When you look at it on that spectrum, on the larger spectrum, ain't nothing going on but a little snow and ice. Ain't nothing going on but a little snow. It ain't nothing but a little fish. It ain't nothing but a little fish. So I guess the bottom line is we'll be staying here. Well,